Japanese high school students scored high marks in a test of international academic performance released on Tuesday. They ranked in the top 5 globally in all 3 categories: mathematics, science, and reading. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, or OECD, conducts the Program for International Student Assessment every 3 years. It assesses the academic performance of 15-year-olds around the world. The latest evaluation was delayed a year due to the coronavirus pandemic. About 690,000 students from 81 countries and regions took part. That included about 6,000 students at 183 senior high schools around Japan. Compared to the last assessment in 2018, average scores rose in all 3 categories. Japanese students climbed 1 spot to 5th in mathematics. In science, they rose from 5th place to 2nd. And in reading, they jumped from 15th place to 3rd. Singapore ranked 1st in all 3 categories.